In this lesson, we are going to take some very simple one-syllable word parts and put them together to form two-syllable words. So up on top here, we have a bunch of different cards with different syllables on them. I'm going to take two of these cards and put them together and try to form a two-syllable word. So let's take this word part. Oops, okay, so let's take this part. Let's go ahead and sound out each of the sounds in this word. So let's see. Sun. And then let's grab another word part to put with it. And let's tap out the sounds in that part. At. I know it must be because it's blocked in by a consonant, so it has to make its short sound, So we have sun, set, sunset. All right, awesome. Let's try another one. Let's see. Let's try this part. And let's go ahead and say the sounds. P, pup. How about this? We know that that is set. So let's try this. Pupset. Pupset. That is not a word. So let's try a different one. What about, how about this? Let's try these two word parts. So we know we have up, pup, p-et, pet, puppet, puppet. Oh yeah, puppet, that's a word. That's a two-syllable word, pup, pet, puppet. All right, we made another word. Let's see what else we can make. Do you see any two cards that could go together to make a new word? Let's try these ones. Let's see if we form a word. Okay, so we need to sound out the first syllable first. P, ick, pick, ick, nick, pick, nick, picnic. Awesome, that's another word that we made, picnic. Okay, how about this one? Let's sound out the first part. B, a, th, bath, at, mat, bath mat, bath mat. Yeah, a bath mat is something that you step onto when you come out of the bath or shower, like a little rug on the floor. Now, what if we switched these two? What if we did this? Now we have bath, tub, bath, tub, bathtub. So we just learned how we can take one-syllable word parts and put them together to make two-syllable words. Now go back onto Lexia and try this lesson, or try this skill again and see if it's a little bit easier for you now that you have practiced.